Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door, and if you're in need of a great tasting but simple dish for one of your holiday get-togethers this season, stay tuned because I'm going to show you guys how to make this amazing potato casserole. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take a medium onion and chop it into small pieces. And while you're doing that, start melting an entire stick of butter in your pan. Nobody said this was going to be a healthy dish. Alright, so once the butter is completely melted, you want to add your onions and you want to go ahead and add some salt and pepper to taste. You want to get your onions nice and translucent. Alright, so while that's cooking, you want to get your ingredients together, which is 1 cup of sour cream, 1 whole can of cream of chicken, 1 whole can of cream of mushroom, and 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Then you want to mix those all together. Alright, so this is what you want your onions to look like, and once they reach this stage, you want to pull them from the stove. Now you can dice your own potatoes or you can use these hash brown pre-diced potatoes, and you want to at least have 32 ounces. Alright, so I usually put this in 1 large dish, but I was taking some somewhere and I was keeping some, so we split them up into 2. And I had already sprayed non-stick spray on them. Next, you're going to add those onions into the potatoes. And then just mix the potatoes and the onions so that everything is distributed evenly. Alright, now once that is done, you're going to add that creamy, cheesy goodness that we made earlier, and you're just going to spread it on top of all those potatoes. Alright, then you're going to take those plain Kellogg's Corn Flakes and you are going to crush them up until you get about 3 cups of crushed corn flakes. Then after they're all crushed, you're going to want to spread them out over the top of the casserole and just try to keep everything even. Then you're going to take half a stick of butter and you can either melt it and pour it over the top, or you can just slice it and lay them on there like that. Alright, you're going to cover your dish up with foil and you're going to cut little slits into it to let it ventilate, and you're going to stick it in a 400-degree oven for a total of 1 hour. You're going to remove the aluminum foil about 5 to 10 minutes before you take it out, that way the top gets nice and crispy. And that's it, you guys. We like to call this a crack potato casserole, and that name was actually given to me by one of my guests at a baby shower that I hosted because they said they just kept wanting to get more. I'm going to go ahead and link below to my blog where you can find the full recipe, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think of this recipe. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios.